Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? Thank you so much for taking time out to watch this. If you don't know me, I'm Wheezy and I come here live every Wednesday. I like to talk to people a little bit more mature in life to encourage them that your time is not up. Don't go just sit on the couch or in the rocking chair and think life has passed me by and I cannot possibly do anything. Yes, you can. So I'm here to give you encouragement. That can be making videos. And yes, you can make videos. You can share your talents. You can share your knowledge. Maybe you are a great mentor, or you just have some philosophies that maybe the world would enjoy. So that's what I do. I help people find that magic spot that they could talk about on video. You don't want to do video, maybe it's audio, maybe it's writing, but it's just finding something to do that you love. So this week, I want to come to you and talk about mid January. And have you found your groove yet? If you are already working, do you have plans maybe in your business or in your life that you want to just you planned on jumping in the beginning of January and going, I'm going to do this, but is that happening for you? I have to confess. And what are the distractions that have held me back from working to the potential I wanted to? I didn't keep up some of the habits that I had in December. I knew how I needed to end the year, but I hadn't quite picked up on how I needed to start off the year. So I was like pre recording and I was doing emails way ahead of time. I put together a whole package of a new sales that I'm going to do, this new program, Living Legacy, that I'm implementing. And I just did a lot of work. And I even worked some during the Christmas break, but I didn't bundle some of my everyday, every week stuff. And I have to get back on board. Although there have been some distractions, um, trying to get back into that groove with everybody. There's been storms, and sometimes we don't really feel like working when it's cold and rainy outside. I had a birthday, and I've just allowed my mind to get sidetracked with other things. Are you there with me in this little quandary? And then this week is Martin Luther King week. So what am I doing? This is my week. This is my week where I really do usually after the holidays start hitting my stride and really start putting things into place. I'm coming to you. I'm getting my video done. I almost didn't send I'm not going to send out a video. I'm not going to send out emails this week. And I said, no, that is something you need to do because we need to find something that we do consistently. I'm not saying that you need to do what I do. The people really do rely on for you to show up consistently because if you show up consistently and they can count on you showing up and you keeping your word, people will trust you. And that really is the name of the game is showing up, being consistent, doing what you say. I'm not lecturing you, but I'm telling you, I have found that people that rely upon me, they know that when I say what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it. I'm going to follow through and I'm going to show up. So, where are you at? Let me know in the comments of where are you so far for 2024. So, anyway, I just wanted to come in here. I'm not booting you in the butt, but I'm just trying to give you a little bit of inspiration of let's get started. Let's get January rolling so that February is off to the races for 2024. If you're having weather or you have days off, the kids are home from school, there's just a lot of distractions. I know in where I live, kids haven't put in a full week's worth of school yet. So if you're a mom or somebody who has to be available when the kids are off, you know exactly what I mean. This year has just been a little bit harder to get kicked off. And I hope that you're healthy. If you want to reach me, you can always go to my website, which is showing down below. Here we go, wheezyinc.com. You can always go in there, hit the contacts, shoot me an email, and contact me to find out some of my programs. Well, what are some of my programs? I consult with you. I can help get you on that right track. I can do tutorials, or I have my planning sheets. So if you want to find out more about this, go ahead and either contact me, shoot me an email by going through my website, or just leave a comment below and say, Wheezy, hit me up, and I can do that. So that's all I have for this week. I just am coming on. It's really I want to encourage you that you're not alone. You are not alone by the distractions. We all run into it. I'm running through it, and I'm trying to get on track this week. So the first thing I wanted to do is to get on here and commiserate with you. I come on here every Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. And if you would like to follow me, here are some of the channels in which you can follow me. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and I do have a YouTube channel. And that's probably how you're seeing this video is through my YouTube channel. I come on every Wednesday at 9 a.m., sometimes recorded like this or sometimes live. You never know what you're going to get with Wheezy. But anyway, just take care. Have a great week. Reach out if you need some help and inspiration in order to get that boost to get your January going. I'm here for you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.